material required for making flip-flap science toy. Two-way sellotape, or even you can use Fevicol for pasting. Scissor, pencil, scale, ribbon, half-inch ribbon. Mount board 10 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The size of a mount board is 12 cm by 8 cm. We require 10 mount board pieces. Now I'm going to mark 1 cm, 4 cm and again 1 cm as shown. 1, 4 and 1. Mark this on all the mount board pieces you have. Keep a scale and draw a line. This is 1 cm line. This is 4 cm line. Again, make a 1 cm line. Same way, you are going to do this lining with all other mount board pieces you have. You can see I have already made lines for all the mount board pieces. In total, I have 10 mount board pieces of 8 by 12 cm. Take a two-way tape, take a mount board piece, place the two-way tape at the center of the line and do as shown in the video. Press it gently, cut the sellotape, repeat it for the rest of the lines. See carefully, it should be from the center of the line. Hold it gently, press it and cut the remaining portion. Go for the third line. Exit from the center. Same procedure you are going to follow for other remaining 9 mount board pieces. I am ready with my 10 pieces. This is the center portion. Now, take a ribbon of any color. We require 3 pieces of ribbon. The length of the ribbon is 10 times of the mount board piece. So, this is 12 centimeter. So, we are going to have 1 12 centimeter. Again 2 12 centimeter, 3 12 centimeter, 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. You just have to take little bit more than 10. So in short, it's 120 centimeter. So this is the length Make a 3-piece of the same length. The length is 120 centimeter. So I'm not going to mark again 10 times of 12 centimeter. That's 120 centimeter altogether. Now I have measurements ready. Take a scissor and cut 120 centimeters. Be careful while using scissor. This is the center, and now towards the right side. Ta-da! Ready with the 3 120 centimeter ribbons. One, two, three. Now keep all this mount board one side. Take one mount board piece. Adjust as per your convenient. Keep all ribbon strips one side. Now remove the two-way tape insulin and place the first one at the center towards your right side. The remaining portion should be towards your right side. Take another ribbon and place it on the top one. Now that another portion should be on the left side. Observe each and every steps carefully. This is the main part, a main portion. This will come at the down, again towards the left side. Next, take another piece, same way, remove the insulin of a two-way tape. And place it on the top. Match the length and press gently. You can use decorative papers to decorate your flip-flap toy. Now each steps are important. Take this middle one towards your left and the top and bottom will come towards your right. Make sure it remains proper in the position. Take another one and be careful, do not flip it. Keep it how I have shown you. The decorative portion or a plain portion should be downside and the sellotape portion should be up, facing towards you. Adjust your ribbons. Take out the sellotape insulin. Take the first ribbon. Again, it's the same pattern you have to follow, a zigzag pattern. You are going to take the first one towards your left, middle one towards your right, be careful while placing your ribbon. It should be parallel to all other ribbon and your sellotape. Press gently, don't stretch too much, keep some play for smooth functioning of your toy. Adjust according to your convenience. Same procedure you are going to follow for rest of all The pattern is very simple, zigzag pattern. If center one is towards right, then the top and bottom is towards left. If center one is at left, then top and bottom is towards right. Keep following the same system till the end. In between, as per your convenience, you can stop the video, you can slow down the video. This is the end portion of your toy. Extra ribbon should be cut out. That's all. Press it hard and your toy is ready to get flip-flap. That's it. Your toy is ready.